क्यूइंग नोटेशन. व्हाट इज अ नोटेशन? हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि क्यू को समझने के लिए कोई तरीका होगा, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करने का कोई सिंप्लीफाइड मेथड हो सकता है. नोटेशन एक कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम को सिंप्लीफाइड अंदाज में रिप्रेजेंट करने की कैपेबिलिटी देती है. सो देयर इज अ स्टैंडर्ड नोटेशन फॉर द क्यूइंग मॉडल एंड दिस इज ऑलरेडी देयर, सो it is very good to learn about it. This was proposed long time back in 1953 by Kendall. It talks about parallel server systems. It is represented as A, B, C and K. So this is the system. Let's look at what each of these things mean. A represents the inter-arrival time distribution. B represents the service time distribution. C represents the number of parallel servers. N represents the system capacity. And K represents the size of the calling population. Common symbols for A and B include M, exponential or Markov, D, constant or deterministic, EK, long of order K, PH, which is the phase type, H for hyper exponential, G for arbitrary or general, GI for general independent. Let's look at a queuing notation in this table. Pn stands for steady state probability of having n customers in a system. इसी तरह से अगर टाइम पे होता है तो n customers की probability टाइम t के दौरान क्या होगी? Lambda is a standard notation for arrival rates. Lambda e effective arrival rate. So अगर queue में वो रुक जाते हैं, उनको आने नहीं दिया जाता, तो effective change हो जाएगा. And so on. So we've looked at the queuing notation by Kendall and found that it's extremely useful in representing queuing systems.